Application of sensory integration training in the treatment of children with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder (ADHD). Attention deficit and hyperactivity disorder (ADHD) is a common long-term condition that begins in childhood and affects attention, behavior, and self-control. Its exact causes and mechanisms are still not fully understood. This article reviews 67 studies from the past 20 years found in CNKI and Pubmed, focusing on children, ADHD, and sensory integration training. The findings show that sensory integration training helps improve brain function, attention, behavior, learning ability, and social skills in children with ADHD. When combined with medication, it produces better results than using either method alone. It can also enhance the benefits of other non-drug treatments. Overall, the study highlights the positive role of sensory integration training in supporting children with ADHD and provides valuable guidance for researchers, teachers, and parents to better understand and assist children affected by the disorder. Introduction. Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder (ADHD) is a developmental condition that affects attention, self-control, and activity levels in children. It often appears during early school years and can lead to problems with learning, behavior, and emotions. About 4% to 12% of school-age children are affected, with boys being diagnosed more often than girls. Many children with ADHD continue to experience symptoms as they grow, around 70% into their teenage years and up to half into adulthood. Some experts believe it can last a lifetime. Children with ADHD may also face other challenges such as emotional difficulties, learning problems, or trouble adjusting socially. Without proper and timely treatment, ADHD can negatively impact a child's mental health, development, and overall quality of life. Early diagnosis and intervention are therefore crucial to help affected children lead healthier and more successful lives. Conclusion. Sensory integration training has shown clear benefits in improving executive function, behavior, social skills, and motor perception in children with ADHD. It is easy to apply, safe, and free from drug side effects, making it a valuable treatment choice. However, some issues remain. There is no standard approach regarding the training methods, duration, and frequency. Clinical samples are often small, and more studies are needed to understand how this training works on a neurological level. International research tends to explore brain function and behavioral outcomes in depth, while domestic studies mainly focus on symptom improvement. Adding neurophysiological evidence could help make results more reliable. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology, and medicine.